Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified when we publish a new video. How do you season your food? With salt? There are many seasonings and condiments that can add a ton of flavors and aromas to your dishes. Curry, for example, is a blend of spices that is very popular in Asia and is both tasty and very beneficial. Most of the benefits of curry are due to the spices it contains, with turmeric being one of the most important ones. Other seasonings such as coriander, ginger, nutmeg, pepper, several different types, cinnamon, and cumin can also be found in curry. If you've never eaten curry, then here are some reasons for you to start consuming it. Good for arthritis, osteoporosis, and rheumatism due to the turmeric and nutmeg present in curry. It has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling and relieve the symptoms of diseases that affect your bones. Good for your brain. Turmeric and Jamaica pepper increase our brain performance and reduce our risk of developing diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Some of the other ingredients in curry such as cinnamon help release substances that promote well-being and lessen depression. Fights cancer. Turmeric is one of the most studied ingredients and it has proven to be efficient at preventing and treating cancer of the uterus, prostate, ovary and breast due to its high antioxidant power. Improves immunity. The blend of curry ingredients makes it highly nutritious, rich in antioxidants capable of strengthening the immune system, curing infections and reducing processes that can lead us to become ill. Improves digestion. Both the cardamom and the peppers in curry are very beneficial to our digestive system and are beneficial in the treatment of indigestion, constipation, stomach aches, and hemorrhoids. Aids weight loss. The peppers and the cinnamon in curry are great for anyone who wants to lose weight due to their thermogenic effect, which causes our bodies to burn more calories. Protects our heart. Cardamom has vasodilatory properties, reduces the effect of free radicals, reduces blood pressure, and improves blood circulation. In addition to these benefits, the turmeric in curry has proven to be great at fighting asthma, treating liver cirrhosis, and reducing premature aging.